In this video, I will show how to solve CapCut could not load tap to retry again problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search CapCut, update CapCut app if available on Play Store, tap on hold CapCut app, click on app info, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or airplane mode, just few seconds. In this way, you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.